inside the Toyota bZ Wilderness. Oh no, Matt, sorry, it's my fault. It's the bZ Woodland. It looks just so much like the Outback we didn't get, the Outback Wilderness. This vehicle looks really great, and people that say that EVs can go off-road, this is the proof.
Yes, it can. When you look at this one, it's an absolute station wagon style, but fully electric with a little bit more ground clearance than usual, more aggressive tires. Toyota did a good job with the bZ. First of all, if you want to go see the regular review that we did, feel free to check the high. But this package, the Woodland one, is perfect for people, for the active family that want to go on adventure, full electric style, and be able to tow whatever camping gear they are carrying in the trailer, or even the ATV or the snowmobile. So it's for active people.
Yeah, but if you can get to the cottage, that's the point. But I think you'll be all right with approximately 450 kilometers. Maybe it's okay. And Matt, there's one thing that's surprising me because we just remember all the problems the bZ4X had, and they reused the bZ badge to put the Woodland and make it like a variety of vehicle available. What do you think about that? Is it like a weird move from Toyota?
No, it's not a weird move. They're actually listening to the people, kind of corrected also a lot of errors with the bZ4X. Remember the charging time, remember the range, remember even the reliability. Sometimes it was up and down with the heat pump and everything. But rest assured, Toyota told us that they did their homework, and here is a new lineup of the bZ. You can go with the base version, but once again, the Woodland that we are driving is purely amazing. As soon as you step on the accelerator, 375 horsepower, boom! You are accelerating in ticket territory.
Yeah, that's for sure, Matt. You have to be well attached when you press on the accelerator. But in off-road too, Matt, there's X-Mode.
There is X-Mode, and there's a terrain system also that you can adjust depending on the terrain that you're gonna face. So those beefy electric engine, also 2 engines, 167 kilowatt up front and the rear. And when you have electric power, as soon as you've got a great system that can manage the traction, you're going to be able to go far. But remember, to get far in off-road, you need good tires. So for option with the bZ Woodland, you can go for the Dunlop Grand Tech AT30. Not my favorite tires, but you know what? It looks good on this kind of vehicle. And as soon also as you're gonna get some challenging terrain, those tires will be there to get you the maximum traction. You've got also 2 different settings for X-Mode, the deep one and the regular one. And still again, it reminds me of Subaru. So keep in mind that wherever your cottage is gonna be, you're gonna be able to get really far electric style.
And Matt, do you think we do great videos?
Yes, we do.
And what could help us share those videos?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. So don't forget, guys, thumbs up. Maybe for you it's nothing, but for us, helps a lot. Matt, inside the bZ, is it comfortable? The technology, the noise level inside, what about that?
It feels great. I think it's one of my favorite electric vehicle right now, even more in the Toyota lineup, because you've got that low noise level. Actually, we're driving on the highway right now. You know that the highway here in Quebec, it's not the best road. It's kind of bumpy. It's kind of, I don't know, even the material that they use is kind of grainy. So as you can see, we can pretty much hear ourselves, Mr. James. So the low noise level inside the cabin, the comfort up front is really great. Adjustable seat for me, but in the back, just a little thing that they should improve over time is the seat height. But even with my regular driving position, as you can see, enough room for my knees, enough headroom also. It's one comfortable vehicle. And I told you, it looks like a station wagon. As soon as you open the trunk, geez, you're gonna be able to put a lot of gear inside. It's not one of the most communicative vehicles, but as soon as you step on it, oh, everything's falling, and we're entering super speed territory where I don't want to keep driving this fast. I'm gonna get a ticket for sure. And also another thing, wherever there's gonna be a sand road, once you look in the mirror, you can activate a rear wiper.
Ooh, that's new.
That's new.
And Matt, I feel like Wagon and speed, great acceleration. it already won your heart, right?
Yes, it did. I also add a little bit of ground clearance up to 215 millimeters, and I'm gonna be fine to go wherever I want.
So there you go. This is the new bZ Woodland. Plus the comment section what you think about that vehicle, and we'll see you in another video.